We are now in the farm of one of my colleagues, Captain Yusuf Al-Mawli. This is in the place called Barka, which is about 40 kilometers away from our house in Al-Khuwair. This is a wonderful place. Kala and I, we are absolutely enjoying this visit. So many cows. There are so many different kinds of birds and animals, peacocks, parrots, camels, calves, so many. You can see a horse here. Horse among the calves, and
see it, Araka. So sweet. கிடையாது அப்படிலாம் கிடையாது. They will eat.
See, it is just tasting and seeing whether it is something that it can eat or not.
பா அது பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கு. பார்த்து இந்த இதோட கயர் இஸ் லாங்கர். ஸோ போட்டுடுங்கோ. இதுக்கு கொடுங்கோப்பா, இது அழகா வருது உங்கள்கிட்ட. இதுக்கு கொடுங்கோ. கிட்ட கொண்டு கையில கொடுங்க, வாயில கொடுங்க, அது அழகா வாங்கிக்கும். அவ்வளவுதான். அதுக்கு போய் கொடுங்க. அப்பா நகர்ந்துக்கோங்க, நகர்ந்துக்கோங்க. ஏன்னா அதோட கயிறு உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப கிட்டக்க இருக்கு.
இதோ இன்னொரு மாடுக்கு இப்போ கலா ஃபீட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா. இது வந்து சாதம், பருப்பு, அந்த அரிசி அதெல்லாம் போட்டுட்டு இருக்கா. 40 வருஷத்துக்கு 30 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம அடையாளத்தில் எப்படி இருந்ததோ அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு இப்போ பார்க்கறதுக்கு. we are reminded of those days. இதோ இதுதான் எல்லாத்தோட தாத்தா, the oldest. அண்ட் சைஸை பாருங்க, அதோடது சைஸை பார்த்தோம்னாக்க அப்படியே மாடு கூட இந்த சைஸ் இருக்குமான்னு நம்மளுக்கு. இதோ என்ன தம்பி, சோக்கியமா? நீ தம்பியா தங்கையா? இதோ இதோ கலா ஃபீட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா. கொஞ்சம் கையை மேலே தூக்கியா, ரொம்ப குனியா இருக்கு. மூக்கிலலாம் ஒட்டின்னு இருக்கிறதுக்கு சாப்பிட்டு இருக்கு அழகா. ஏதோ அங்கே மாடுகள்லாம் நிறைய இருக்கு பின்பக்கம். இப்போ நாங்கள் வந்து யூசுஃபோட கவுஸ் எடுக்க வந்திருக்கோம். இப்போது நிறைய கவுஸ் இருக்கு இங்கே. ஏன்னா எவ்வளவு காமிக்க முடியுமோ அவ்வளோ காமிக்கிறேன்னா. சிலது வந்து நான் எங்களை முதல் தடவை பார்க்கறதுனால கொஞ்சம் பயப்படுறது. ஆனால் நாங்கள் கொடுத்த இதெல்லாம் நிறைய சாப்பிட்ருக்குகள் இது வரைக்கும். எல்லாம் நல்லா சாப்பிட்டுருக்கு. அங்கே பின்னாடி பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா அது அங்கே பீகாக் இருக்கு. இது இங்கே பேரட்ஸ் இருக்கு, சத்தம் கொட்டுன்னு இருக்கு அழகா. அது அந்த பக்கம் ஷீப்ஸு, கோட்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கு. அது அந்த பக்கம் நிறைய டிஃப்ரெண்ட் கைண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஆஸ்ட்ரிச்சஸ், மற்ற பேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கு. Kala is now milking the calf. We are reminded of the younger days, 35-40 years ago, when we used to have cows at home. It's a wonderful. I wish I had known that my colleague has got such a beautiful calf shed here. We would have come almost every week. What, Yusuf? Now I've got to know about it only when we are about to leave Oman and go back to India. இந்த பாருங்க, அதுக்கு எதிர்க்க இந்த எல்லாம் குட்டி குட்டிகளாக இருக்குது. இதெல்லாம் குட்டிகள். இது அம்மாட்டேருந்து பால் சாப்பிட்டுட்டு இருக்கிறதோ அது. இதோ கலா மாஸ்க் போட்டுட்டு இது ஒன்று என்னதுனாக்கா இந்த மாடுகளுக்கெல்லாம் மாஸ்கே இல்லை. நம்மளாம் ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸாக இருந்துட்டு வி கால் அவர் செல்ஸ் இஸ் த ப்ரிவிலேஜ்ட் ஒன்ஸ். ஆனால் என்ன பண்ணுறது, நம்மளாம் மாஸ்க் போட்டுக்க வேண்டியிருக்கு. இதெல்லாம் அழகாக மாஸ்க் போட்டுக்காமல் ஒன்றுத்துக்கு ஒன்று பக்கத்தில் அழகாக 2 meters டிஸ்டன்ஸில் என்ன அழகாக நின்றுட்டுருக்குகள் எல்லாம். அழகாக சோஷியல் டிஸ்டன்சிங் ஃபாலோ பண்ணிட்டு பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக எல்லாம் தள்ளி நின்று ஒருத்தருக்கு முன்னாடி இரும்பிண்டு துப்பிண்டு அதெல்லாம் ஒன்றுமே பண்ணல. பாருங்க, இதுக்கு தான் நம்ம அனிமல்ஸாக இருந்தால் கூட அனிமல்ஸ்ட்டு நிறைய கற்றுக்கிறதுக்கு இருக்குது நம்மளுக்கு ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸ்க்கு. கடவுள் இதுக்காக தான் இந்த ஒரு சுச்சுவேஷன் ஒரு 9-10 மாதமாக நம்மளுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காரு. என்னதுனாக்கா நம்ம மற்ற வாழ்க்கையிலேருந்து கற்றுக்கணும். வெறும் நம்ம இந்த உலகத்தை வச்சுன்னு ஒன்றும் பெருசாக பண்ணி கழிக்கல. ஸோ இதோ இது வரும் சமத்தா அப்போலேருந்து பழங்கள். இப்போ நம்ம இப்போ பீகாக் இது ஸ்டாண்டில் இருக்கோம். எவ்வளோ பீகாக்ஸ் இருக்குது பாருங்க உள்ள. ஒமானில் பீகாக்ஸ்னால் நாங்கள்லாம் நிறைய ஆஸ்ட்ரிச்சஸ் அந்த மாதிரிலாம் பார்த்துருக்கேன். ஏன்னா இங்கே பீகாக்ஸ் அண்ட் பீஹென்ஸ் பார்க்க வந்தோம்னாக்கா ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. இதோ 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 நம்ம இப்போ பேர்ட் சாங்சுரிக்கு வந்திருக்கோம். எவ்வளவு பேர்ட்ஸ் இதோ, பியூட்டிஃபுல் பேர்ட்ஸ் ஆல் அரவுண்ட். So many of them on the other side. MashaAllah, this is really wonderful. So அந்த பக்கம் எவ்வளவு பேர்ட்ஸ், sheeps, goats and sheep and pigeons. Oh, this is a beautiful sanctuary, pa.
லெஃப்ட்ல போடுங்க, லெஃப்ட்டுக்கு. போறோம், அங்க வாங்க.
يلا حتى امس دفعين 3000 ريال محمد وراح المزرعه 1500 نقها انت ب 100 تدفع 1500
போறனால வருது எல்லாம். So cute.
Only one, no?
என்னங்க, I have one more.
You have this, you have other things.
No, we'll come again next week.
No problem. That is your garden. What time you want to come? Sarina.
போறோம்.
Listen. See here.
அங்க தூக்கி போடு.
They coming with you. Good, beautiful birds. They
won't bite.
Give for this gift. Leave for.
Oh, so this is so beautiful. You know, they're all so nice, so friendly. And now Kala is feeding them on the other side, and they're all rushing there, that side. See? See how they're all rushing? So beautiful. And this side, see how, oh my God. Look at all this, look at them. Oh, we continue with our rendezvous with the birds. We are having a great time. Konda. Bring whatever you have. Let's finish off. Oh, so beautiful. I love these birds. We have my colleague Yusuf Al-Mavli and the person who is taking care of this beautiful sanctuary, Amin, with him. Amin is from Burundi.
Please out.
These birds are all from Pakistan. See how they all get together. There's a little bit of bajra put around. It's so beautiful. See, all these goats are running around like as if we are in a circus. How they run around in the circus. See? So beautiful. Wow, wow. One of them is leading everybody. See? This
I mixed with
bird that you see is one of the costliest chicken in the world. It gives black eggs, it seems. And then now my colleague Yusuf is trying to have a mixed gender of this bird and this chicken, this black one. And see, you can see the peacocks at the back. Oh, this is a beautiful macaw with other birds along with it. Oh, look at this bird, so beautiful. Yusuf, where is this bird from?
This is from Holland.
This is from Holland.
This is USA.
From?
This is USA.
White with the combination peacock.
What is this? What bird is this?
Pigeon.
Pigeon. Wow. This is a pigeon, it seems, and this is from the US, from the United States of America. So beautiful. Look at the beautiful color on it. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Such wonderful. We'll start from here.
This is from Pakistan. This was pigeon Pakistan.
This is called pigeon Pakistan, so it's from Pakistan. Oh, ho, ho. Look at the tail.
Belgica.
Huh?
Belgica.
Belgica,
Yeah.
from Belgium.
Yeah, it's Belgian.
This is called Belgica from Belgium. Look at the beautiful, oh my God, look at the long tail. I wish you were all here, you would be enjoying. And look at the green parrots, the ones that we normally see everywhere. Oh, they're all talking and shouting. Oh, ho, ho, look at the tail. Look at the tail. Look at the tail.
वो बच्चा आता है उधर है.
Oh, look at all these, so beautiful. Look at these birds. Look at them. Look at them. Oh, inside that box there are two baby parrots. I have to find out what baby parrots are called in English. Oh, but I love this. I love this.
This is open. I have problems here. I will tell you. This is export from other countries. I bought very expensive. This is about 400. This is
Small little white birds that you see there.
from Holland.
They are from Holland. Each costing around $250. Oh, we are listening to all the beautiful music of the birds from all around. Cock, 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 pim, 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 pim. All kinds of sounds. So fascinating.
If you want to mix it, this design.
Look at the tail. Look at the tail. Oh my God, I've not seen anything like this. Belgica, she's so beautiful. Say something. Say something. Say something. Say something.
You know, his head, they put big one.
Yeah.
Let's go to this side.
This is for all those who are from down under. They would be able to easily relate to this particular bird that you can see here. It's the ostrich. We have two ostriches here. It may not be very clear because of the sunlight and the color of the birds, but then you can see them. You can see different birds in one single place. You have the white peacock, the pigeons, and you have the rabbits hiding behind those beautiful. Look at the peacocks there. Oh my God, oh my God. Look at the birds over there, each one of them having their own small nest-like place. Oh, so good. See, Kala is trying to be one of them, part of them. And here is the gentleman who owns. This is my colleague, Mr. Yusuf Al-Mavli. We are all
Thank
working
you,
together.
Mr. Sarina, for coming and his wife, and we'll come for the period today. We come for to see my kids.
I know. They're all your kids, they're all your babies, and I wish I had known that Yusuf has got such a beautiful sanctuary here. You know, bird sanctuary, animal sanctuary, I don't know what to call it. I would have come every week.
Swing for the birds.
Yeah, say, look at this, the swing, the bird swing. He's taking care of them so well.
For swing.
Now, my colleague Yusuf is trying to explain to me that the peacock, the colorful peacock that we see there, and the white peacock that we see here, he is going to have a hybrid. He is going to try to make them mate, and he wants a breed to come out of a new breed to come out of this. What a fascinating way of thinking! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Okay, now he is going to get two different kinds of birds from Netherlands, which are likely to, each one is likely to cost about 2. Wow, look at this color of the bird. Oh my God. The two of them.
Yellow, no?
Blue. And the yellow is over there. Yellow there. And then look at these cute little ones.
Gray, light green, blue, yellow, dark yellow. My God, and the dark yellow.
Taken over.
See, this is American baby. All this baby from this.
Oh.
You know, very expensive chicken. I need see other than can see this is.
Oh, these are the little ones from that the $2,500 chicken, the crossbreed that has come out of it.
Oh my God, tortoise.
Look at this! Look at this! Look at these beautiful colorful birds. Oh ho ho ho!
Up. This is from Australia.
This is the Australian parrots.
See.
White
1,500.
Which one? Reals.
from Australia.
You see these two birds? These are from Australia. The cost of each bird is approximately about $4,000. Yeah.
Parrot with chilies.
And see this. See
No,
this.
this is Indian purple. What's the color? I mix this two colors to get other color. I guess.
He's mixing these two parrots. So these are the small, colorful sparrows. We get around 200, 300 sparrows at home every day. But then these colorful sparrows are wonderful. We get the normal sparrows coming home, for Kala feeds them daily.
Yes, this is Africa. This
Oh, these are the African birds.
is half baby, yeah?
Oh, that's the young one.
This I bought 50 left too. One white, one second baby.
The one that you can see in the corner on the left.
The
Oh, look at this.
man, hey,
We have the deer.
yes, this for the baby.
See?
And you know, I put the baby here inside.
Right?
Right.
You know, Yusuf is doing a lot of things where he's trying to mix up different breeds among themselves. And see, animals and birds, where do you get to see all these kind of things? These are wonderful. I mean, I don't know, I keep repeating the word wonderful, but it's not sufficient to express my happiness and the feelings. See, these are the tortoise. Oh, they're hibernating. Probably now they have laid the eggs and they're hatching the eggs. Hatching the eggs, the whole process is a very, very long process. We have a place called Ras Al Had in Oman, where it's called the Turtle Beach, one of the most beautiful places in the whole world. Kala, Anjana and I, we spent the new year over there in 2011, and we had a wonderful time there, watching so many tortoise. Exactly. Now you guys, you have to have a look at these. Look at the colors of parrots that are around. Oh, I have no words for these. Look at the discipline. Look at the discipline that they follow, all sitting adjacent to each other. Oh, so nice.
You go other room. You want Amazon because
The big green one that you see there, that's the Amazon parrots. And the small ones, these are Argentinian parrots, no?
yeah.
The small ones with the colorful. Oh, I'm enjoying this.
This is the white one.
Oh,
White.
it's not only the noise, but also the breeze that is coming out of these birds flying around. It's so beautiful. Even though the temperature is 33 degrees outside, I feel like it's about 20 degrees inside. My colleague, he is planting a lot of plants here. He is going to convert this place. He's just begun. There's a swimming pool, and he's going to convert this into what is to be called later on as a 5-star farm. I don't know whether we have such a concept elsewhere, but we do have concepts of gradings of farms. 5-star, 4-star, 3-star. And anything which normally falls into other categories would be either 2-star or single star. Those would be the small ones. For example, this currently, one can term it as 2-star.